In this tutorial, we are going to deploy our Node.js Amazon project on Render platform. We use MongoDB for database, and for web hosting, we use render.com service. Let us start by creating an account on render.com. Click on Get Started. In the register screen, click on GitHub. Enter your email and password, click on Sign In, and allow Render access to your GitHub account. After this, you will be redirected to dashboard.render.com. Here, click on New Web Service. What we need to do at this step is to connect to the JS Amazon. You already pushed your code on GitHub, so you should know the name of your repository. Just type it right here. Node, JavaScript, e-commerce. Yours may be different. Click on Connect. Enter a name. I'm going to set it to JS Amazon. For root directory, make it empty. The environment is Node. You can change your region. I select the default one. The branch is master for me. Here is the build command. If we check the package.json, in the build command, we have this command. We don't need to put it there. Just type npm run build to trigger this command on build. Get rid of yarn and change it to npm run build. Scroll down for start command. Here we have start command, but I'm not gonna use that one. I'm going to use this command for serve. So right click and copy and paste it right here. Scroll down, select the plan type. I'm using free. Scroll down, click on advanced, and in the environment variable, click add environment variable. Based on the documentation in GitHub, we need to define 3 environment variables. The first one is MongoDB URL. Copy this and paste it right here. Click add, copy JWT secret, paste it, and it's gonna be something secret. And the last one is PayPal client ID. Copy this, click add, paste it here. I'm using Sandbox, but you need to enter your live client ID if you want to make real payment in your website. The only thing we need to do here is to generate a MongoDB database and put the connection string here. Here it's time to use MongoDB Atlas service. Go to this address and click on try free. Scroll down, find sign up with Google. Select your account, and here you need to have a cluster. If you don't have cluster 0, just click on create to create a new cluster. It can be shared, and select the default one and click on create cluster to create a sandbox free cluster for you. When you created the cluster, it's time to create a database. Click browse collections. Click create database, set the database name to JS Amazon. I'm going to add render at the end of it. JS Amazon for render. Set collection name to test and click on create. Awesome. Next step. Make sure you put the name of database somewhere safe. I'm going to put it in the dashboard of render right here. I use this one to complete the MongoDB URL. Go back to mongodb.com and create a new database. Click on database access, add new database user. Let's set it to JS Amazon render. It's the name of user, and enter something secret password and select built-in role. Click add read and write any database and click on Add User. Put your username and password somewhere because we need it in this step. Great. The last step in the Atlas is clicking on Network Access. Click on Add IP Address and enter this address. By using this address, we accept requests from all servers to our MongoDB database. Awesome. Here it's time to get the connection string. Click on Database, click on Connect, select Connect your application, and there we are. Copy this and paste it right here. Cut the database name, put it right after .NET/. For username, enter the username that you created in previous step, and for password, use your password. For yours, it should be different. Don't use this one because I delete this database after this tutorial. Before deployment, just check the build command again and add npm install space & space before npm run build, because we need to install packages before running the build command. Scroll down, more down, and click on Create Web Service. You will be redirected to the deployment page. And in this page, as you see, first of all, clone your repository, then run npm install, and then npm run build to build your project. After creating your project, it deploys your web application and it starts the service by the command that you have defined in the start command. So we are ready to launch the web application. Just scroll up, find the web service, and click on the link right here. Here we have our e-commerce website, but there is no product. First of all, we need to create admin user. Right after this address, put /API/users/create admin to create admin user. Find the email, copy the email value, and open this link in a new tab like this. Click on sign in, enter email, go back to previous tab, copy the password, go to the new tab, paste the password, and click on sign in. Awesome. Click on save to save it and change the password to whatever you like. Click on your name and add a very secure password and click on update and update your password. Then click on dashboard. In the dashboard, click on products, click on create products, and there we are. We can edit the product name. Let's make it featured, set price. For image, you can upload a new image, set brand, content stock, sample category, and sample description. Click on update. Let's go to homepage. Here we have the product. Click on it, add to cart, proceed to checkout, enter your address, continue, payment, continue, and click on place order. The order created successfully, and the PayPal button appears here. That's it about this tutorial, deploying the JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript Amazon e-commerce website project on Render.